Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel. In this video tutorial we will learn how to knit this beautiful and super easy stitch, and I'm personally going to use it for the hat. It of course can be used for cardigans, sweaters, scarves. For this swatch you need to cast on the number that is multiple by 2 plus 2 selvage stitches. So multiple by 2. And the first row, slip the first stitch, it is a selvage stitch, and knit all other stitches till the last one. And for this swatch I'm using yarn, it's a fine yarn number 3 and 3.5 millimeters double pointed needles, if you need this information in case. So slip the first stitch and knit all other stitches till the end. And I didn't say that this stitch has 4 rows to repeat, so only 4 rows. And the last stitch we will always purl, it is a selvage stitch. Turn. The second row will be the same as the first one. Slip the first stitch and knit all other stitches. I will do a little bit faster. Okay, and the last stitch, purl it. Turn. Row number 3, slip the first stitch, then knit 1 and slip the next stitch holding working yarn in back, like this. And again repeat. Knit 1, slip the next stitch holding working yarn in back. And repeat. Knit 1, slip the next stitch with yarn in back. Knit 1, slip. 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 Knit 1, slip till the end, slip and purl the last stitch. Turn the last row, slip the first stitch, and now the stitch that we slipped, you see the yarn. You slip again, but leave the working yarn in front. Then knit 1. Again, the stitch that you slipped in the previous row, you slip it again, but holding working yarn in front. This time knit 1. Slip, knit 1. Slip, knit 1. Slip, knit 1, and so on till the end. Slip, knit 1, slip, knit one, slip, then knit one and purl the last selvage stitch. Turn, and that's it. Now you're going to repeat all these 4 rows, slip the first stitch and then knit all other stitches, and like this you will see this long, when you knit these stitches that you slip, you will get this beautiful long stitches. So slip and knit all stitches till the end. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and stay tuned because I'm going to share more stitch tutorials and also how to use these tutorials in other projects. Have a good day. Bye.